어렵게 저저저 뭐 3D-spil nästan till sorti.
Joyville 2.
Kanong ba spilling sa ka so actually spil para na rin nasa may kanon diak sa iso pa ayo pa ang pagkukusuminyak sa Yep.
I've had it with your shenanigans. It's about time you learn some
Manners! Sakurte na sautto. Ay.
Are you the one causing all the mess?
Okay. Tama dude. Ape, ito siya na yung sakaya kipuga. Tawang ho? Ito siya no? Kanang may tabiso ka sa siya.
Hello! What a pleasant surprise! A visitor after all this time! It's great to see you here in my little corner. My name's Tidy. Oh, sorry about the mess. I haven't tidied up in a while. I didn't expect anyone to drop by. This is my home, and I just love the depths of the sea. I found all sorts of cool stuff underwater, but some of my favorite things have gone missing. Can you help me look for them? In return, I'll make you a gift.
역시 나와서 또 나만 또 확신다. Tawas pilya singaklad si Pislisyo ka na piso ka sa nakpokasi.
You'd be a great adventurer, I'm sure.
Ano mo yung piso ka sa yaklisyo nga. Okay, spilias damat so yung ka. Sinakpasito yung may
My
yaklad
life is a crazy adventure where I found all these great things.
Karuk ko nara kaya.
Sometimes I miss the deep blue of the ocean, and I wish I could go back there again.
Ano suso?
I often think about the loud kids' voices that used to be here, because it was just so much fun. This pearl, it's not just some pretty trinket, it's part of my story. For years I've been looking for it, sailing the seas and diving the ocean depths. It's an heirloom, a legacy from my ancestors.
Understand! Sinaksak po ka na spilis. Ingat sa naksungo.
So many memories! This was my first underwater find. I found it in a shipwreck and it changed everything. It was the first time I really dared to explore the depths. And every time I think about it, I feel that excitement of making new discoveries.
Siya? Sinama pisak siya niyak sabi yun. Choice mo.
My life is a crazy adventure where I found all these great things. Oh, this chest is not just a box. It's like a scrapbook from my sea adventures. Every time I go on a dive, I add some new treasure to it. Every item in here has a piece of my story attached to it. When I open it up, I can relive all those amazing moments again and again.
Controlled.
This is crazy. I've never seen anything like it before. I found this at the deepest part of the ocean, surrounded by all this debris. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. What on earth is it? Where did it come from? I bet there's a lot more hidden down there in the depths of the ocean.
Tavası masarap olduk badan fanlaktungan.
Sometimes I miss the deep blue of the ocean, and I wish I could go back. The parchment in the bottle is a secret I'm not quite ready to unravel yet. It feels like a present from destiny. When it's time for a new adventure, I'll start with it. Ah, that's it! You found them! Thanks for bringing back all those memories. I can't thank you enough. Here's the gift you deserve, as promised. Hope to see you again soon.
Keep. Ano may unboxing na view? Daddy, yung sa rock, pambaksin na rock. Så under affan-glædting-så. Kanina der går jo ginger.
So you're the thief who stole my stuff? You're in so much trouble. There's no way you're getting away this time!
Kiklang mo doon eh, kiklang unak doon. Who knows? Tôi chơi được nhạc xác cực vô ngà, có giá đắc tiêu mì. 야범이 약간 엇비셔 갔을 씨. Kejutan tegolyak doan. Kanomia kejer sinak cingsua.
It's way too dangerous here. Let me help you out of here. Harrison's dream of providing children with what he had been denied was noble, but it was tainted by his inability to escape his past. Everything he created was rooted in the shadows of his childhood. The mascots, intended to be symbols of light and protection, became reflections of the darkness he couldn't leave behind. They carried his ghosts, and he failed to see it until it was too late. Harrison Vanderbilt's story is a cautionary tale of how the past can haunt even the brightest of dreams. His creation, Joyville, was meant to be a beacon of hope for children, but it became a prison for his own unresolved demons. The tragedy of Harrison Vanderbilt lies in his attempt to escape the shadows of his past, only to find them woven into the very fabric of his greatest work.
Yay! Kitsuna kallullaqittoriu itnukuira.
Come on, follow me.
Not now. Bye-bye. Go home. Okay, spillinukuing tamatshimasu. Yamakashi yushinangida nga.
They're going to catch up with us, so we better hurry.
Who catch us? Why catch us? I kill you.
You seem to have forgotten even the cutest kitty can have claws and fangs. By the way, I almost forgot to mention one little thing. That day when everything changed around here, I was getting bored playing with kids. Their screaming was getting so dull. But playing with grown-ups, oh, that's a whole new game. So much more interesting and tasty. So, I'll give you a chance. Try to run away from me. I'll play along, pretending you're some little silly mouse, and I'll take my time catching you. I love it when my prey thinks they have a chance.
Ooh.
I can feel your fear. Your attempts to escape from me are laughable. Under the moon.
Ah! Shh. Sinangin na matipan lang daw sa angin.
Under faint starlight, I savor the thrill of the game. A swift, silent dart, and the beating heart is mine. Oh, such delight in the clay. You think you can hide from me?
Shit! Tam sekali kisah nga.
Your tears that day will be remembered forever. Oh.
Sumipit. Tama po yung naging Shimaro.
Oh, such delight in the clay.
Ganitiro po. Da ganito.
A stir, a squeak, a hide and seek. always believed my words so easily. Deceiving you is as easy as pie. You think you can hide from Meow? Otherwise, right. You are a naive fool who believes everything I say. You think you can hide from Meow?
Yes.
How naive. I can feel your fear. Your attempts to quiver.
Kannakatussungausut.
A last small cry, swift, silent dart, and the beat is mine. Oh, such delight and clay. Miss I slip the hands of I can feel your fear. Your attempts to escape from me are laughable. Under the moon's light, I prowl with
I'm alive, bitch! Honey, I'm alive. Bye bye. Whew. Missy cat. Honey, I'm going. I taught you. Please.
No! You think you can escape from me, you little fool? You'll regret every step you took away from me! Your desperate cries will be the sweetest melody to my ears!
Honey. I love you. Don't be mad. Tuwang asaw ko, tuwang pag...
Hold still. This won't take long. You're only making it worse! Coming for you! You're only making it worse! Nowhere to run!
Honey, relax.
There's no escape. Stop running! Got you now! Stop running! Got you now!
On fire. Okay.
Slippery little pest! Nowhere to run! You're only making it worse! Coming for you!
Honey. Yeah!
There's no escape.
Honey.
Slippery little pest!
Honey.
For you!
Fast road.
Slippery little pest! There's no escape. You're only making it worse! Nowhere
아이씨.
Slippery little pest. Nowhere to run.
허니.
Stop running. God, you. No! Stop running. Hold still. This won't take long. You're only making it worse. Coming for you.
아, 뻥.
Stop running. There's no escape. You're only making it worse. There's no escape. You're only making it worse. Got you now.
You think?
Slippery little pest. Got you now. Slippery little pest. Nowhere to run.
허니. How to pass food?
There's no escape. You're only making it worse. Got you now. Slippery little pest. Nowhere to run. You're only making it worse. Got you now. Slippery little pest. Hold still. This won't take long. You're only making it worse. There's no escape. Stop.
마파시낚시 봐야.
Nowhere to
두.
run. Stop running. God, you. No!
아이 나.
You're only making it worse. There's no escape. Slippery little pest. Coming for you. Stop running.
허니.
There's no escape. You're only making it worse.
아.
Got you now.
우.
Nowhere to run. Stop running. Got you now.
Yep. How? 뽕을 잘 먹으면서 맛있지, damn.
Stop running. There's no
I hate this.
nowhere to run. There's no escape. Stop running. Nowhere to run. You're only
kaksak 동안
take long. Stop running.
숟가루 비주가.
Slippery little pest. Nowhere to run. Stop running. There's no escape. You're only making it worse.
Yep.
Got you now. Slippery little pest. Nowhere to run.
Nangungunak ka na 친구 sak.
Worse. Got you now. Nowhere to run.
I love you too. Honey. Honey, I miss you. Honey. Why? 가작삭스러운 면 눈이 떠있어. Mas bilhin na rin unakpuan. Nanirunang mingaklatinnassua. Ooh. Masikot sa kapya. Doktor tamani Shimona. Aktiveertaqattaqqassukka. Sussaa. Alakesh. Sumito nga, nasusunga na naman eh. Menambok cilung taman. 이거 재밌다고 야매. 아. 아빠를 뜨막서야 곡석빠를 뜨막서야. Nainte kung itoin. Anava. Qainartum. Tritasano narseerluni titatam tuutalunuanneerting soon tupappingilornikullungin taavas pilli nutaamingerlariaqqinnissaallaqtippuras nuanneraluarpoq qitsutinguaasisanguaa toqusuutiikku so pillinaaniartaalerporasit qunnasinarstuppisinarlorsimassistamassipaat spillin taamatakus bye bye.